Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a true American legend, the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette C1, the car that started it all. This white beauty wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a bold move from Chevrolet to step into the sports car world and show Europe that America could play the same game, and win. The 1953 Corvette C1 is not just a vehicle, it's a time capsule from the golden age of design, craftsmanship, and ambition. So, grab your seat, buckle up, and let's take a nostalgic journey into one of the most iconic cars ever produced. The 1953 Corvette marked the beginning of something truly special. Produced in limited numbers, only 300 units were ever made, and every single one of them was finished in polo white with a red interior and a black soft top. That combination wasn't just classy, it became iconic. This car wasn't about blending in, it was about standing out. It was the birth of the Corvette legacy, America's first true sports car, handcrafted to perfection at the Flint, Michigan assembly plant. Exterior. Now let's talk about what makes the 1953 Corvette C1 so visually unforgettable. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, the design captures your attention with its smooth, flowing curves and minimalist elegance. The fiberglass body was revolutionary at the time, it was the first mass-produced American car to feature this material. Chevrolet took a huge risk by going with fiberglass instead of steel, but that gamble paid off. Not only did it make the Corvette lighter, but it also gave it a distinctive, sleek look that metal just couldn't achieve. The front end of the Corvette C1 features a rounded nose with a mesh-style grille that holds 13 vertical chrome teeth, a design detail that quickly became a Corvette signature. Above it, the Chevrolet emblem sits proudly, letting everyone know this wasn't your average car. The circular headlamps are simple yet timeless, and the long, sculpted hood gives the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Along the sides, you get that clean, flowing profile that makes the car look like it's gliding through the air. There's no clutter, just pure, aerodynamic art. The fenders blend seamlessly into the body, and the chrome trim around the windshield and side windows adds that touch of luxury and sparkle that defined the 1950s. The rear is where things get especially interesting. You have the signature round taillights and those beautifully curved rear fenders that end in small, sharp points, creating a balanced and elegant finish. And of course, we can't ignore those classic white-wall tires paired with chrome hubcaps. They complete the look perfectly, giving the car an undeniable vintage charm. The convertible top, made of black canvas, folds down to reveal that stunning red interior, making this car equally beautiful with the top up or down. Every inch of this Corvette screams style, sophistication, and confidence. Once you step inside the 1953 Corvette C1, you're instantly transported back to the golden age of American motoring. The cabin is cozy, intimate, and crafted with a level of detail that's hard to find in modern cars. The red interior is a bold contrast against the white exterior, vibrant, passionate, and luxurious. The seats are upholstered in genuine red leather, with simple stitching and bucket-style contours that hug you just enough to feel sporty. The dashboard layout is clean and symmetrical, with the instrument cluster directly in front of the driver. You get a large, white-faced speedometer that goes up to 160 miles per hour, ambitious for the time, along with smaller gauges for fuel, oil, temperature, and amperage. Everything is framed in chrome, adding to that premium 1950s flair. One of the most charming aspects of the 1953 Corvette's interior is the steering wheel. It's large, thin, and finished in white with a full chrome horn ring. It gives you that vintage driving feel, a reminder of a time when cars were more about experience than efficiency. The dash also includes a simple radio and heater, both of which were considered luxury features back in the day. What's even more fascinating is how the interior was designed for pure driving pleasure. There's no clutter, no distractions, just you, the road, and that beautiful sound of the engine humming ahead. And while comfort wasn't the main focus, the craftsmanship was undeniably excellent. Everything from the chrome door handles to the smooth dashboard lines feels thoughtfully executed. Performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, the heart of this American icon. The 1953 Corvette C1 came equipped with a 3.9-liter inline-six engine known as the Blue Flame engine. It produced 150 horsepower and 223 lb-ft of torque, which might not sound like much today, but in the early 1950s, that was impressive for a lightweight sports car. Chevrolet paired this engine with a 2-speed power-glide automatic transmission. Yes, you heard that right, the first Corvette didn't have a manual gearbox. At the time, Chevrolet believed an automatic would appeal more to buyers looking for style and ease rather than pure performance. Still, the Blue Flame engine gave the car decent acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 11 seconds, which was respectable for its day. The Corvette C1's handling was one of its biggest talking points. Thanks to the lightweight fiberglass body and independent front suspension, the car offered a smoother and more responsive ride compared to many of its contemporaries. It wasn't as sharp as European sports cars like the Jaguar XK120, but it had a unique American character, powerful, confident, and capable. The car also came with drum brakes all around, which were standard at the time. Though not as advanced as modern systems, they were reliable enough for spirited driving. The exhaust note, meanwhile, was pure music, a raspy, distinctive growl that turned heads wherever it went. It was that unmistakable sound of raw American engineering. The 1953 Corvette might not have been the fastest or the most powerful sports car of its era, but it was the car that dared to dream. It represented a bold step forward for Chevrolet, showing the world that American automakers could build something sporty, elegant, and desirable. That courage set the stage for future Corvettes, cars that would go on to dominate both streets and racetracks. Price and collectability. When it was first released, the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette had a price tag of around $3,498, which was quite expensive for the time, especially when compared to other Chevrolet models. That high price, along with its limited production and the novelty of being a fiberglass sports car, made it a slow seller at first. In fact, Chevrolet initially struggled to find buyers for all 300 units. But as the years went by, the Corvette's legacy grew, and today, that same car is one of the most desirable collectibles in the world. Owning a 1953 Corvette today is like owning a piece of American history. Because only 300 were built, and fewer than that have survived in original condition, their value has skyrocketed. Depending on the condition, authenticity, and provenance, a well-preserved 1953 Corvette can fetch anywhere from $300,000 to over $1 million at auction. If the car has matching numbers and retains its original parts, collectors are willing to pay top dollar. But the value of this car isn't just in its price tag, it's in what it represents. The 1953 Corvette was the spark that ignited a dynasty. It's the car that made Chevrolet believe in performance and style. It's the car that started a lineage that would evolve into some of the fastest and most celebrated sports cars in the world. Even today, when you see a 1953 Corvette parked at a car show, it draws a crowd. People can't help but stop and admire its purity, its simplicity, and the story it tells. It's not just about horsepower or design, it's about passion, innovation, and the American dream on four wheels. So, to sum it all up, the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette C1 isn't just a car, it's the foundation of a legend. With its timeless white exterior, bold red interior, pioneering fiberglass body, and the heart of a blue flame engine, it symbolizes the birth of the American sports car movement. Sure, it had its flaws, the automatic transmission, the limited power, and a few early teething issues, but none of that matters today. What matters is what it started. This Corvette didn't just roll off the line, it rolled into history. It gave America something to be proud of, a car that could stand tall among the finest European machines. It was a car that said, "We can do it our way," and that spirit still lives on in every Corvette that's built today. If you ever get a chance to see or drive a 1953 Corvette, consider yourself lucky, you're experiencing the beginning of an era, the start of a dream that continues to thrive over 70 years later. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the first ever Corvette, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and share this video with your fellow car lovers. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your hearts racing. This is New Car Mags, signing off with the legend, the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette C1.